Mwaka thutha wa uria ungi, ino niyo mbica iria icokagira maitho-ini ma Kenya aingi. Makiri magithinika ona kinyagia amwe magakua kurumirira ng'aragu nene iria ithiite nambere kwihiriria guku bururi-ini, undu uria ataramu a riera maugite uracungiririo ni ugaruruku wa riera. Kuona ugwati uyu ukuriire Akenya maitho, riu ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune ni ruikite ihoya rukienda gucokaniria kigina gitanyihiire ciringi bilioni 1 gukinyiria uteithio wa irio kuri makiri ma aria matari na giakuria.
Hili ombi letu jipya ni kwamba tunaendelea na miradi yale ya kutoa hela, ya kuangalia afya, kuangalia mambo ya maji, kuangalia mambo ya chakula na vile vile kuangalia upande wa watu kuweza kujimudu na kujisimamia wenyewe.
Gukinyiria riu aikari kuma kaunti ya Garissa, Wajir, Isiolo, Tana River, Kajiado na Kilifi na ingĩ nyingĩ nicio ironekana gukorwo igumirwo ni ng'aragu ino iria iratanyo kwihiriria, kuona kuringana na uthuthuria wa ruhonge rwa riera icigo ici itigukorwo ikiamukira mbura ya kimera. Riboti ino igie ng'aragu yukite thiku nini kuma ataramu a maundu makonie riera maruta mukana wa bururi kugumirwo ni riua ria muga kana La Nina hindi ya kigomano kiao mwena wa Mombasa.
When the temperatures in the Equatorial Pacific are cooler than normal, that phenomena is called La Nina. And it has to persist for a certain period. It's not that it occurs this month and then next month has reversed and we refer to that as a La Nina. No. It starts evolving or it starts showing around about March, April, May. That's the start. That's when you start seeing cooler than average surface temperatures. At times it comes as early as February, but the maturity is normally in December.
Ona kuhanoro uguo kuri na mwihoko kuri aikaria icigo cia gatagati wa bururi na Rift Valley, kuona mbura ya kimera kia tahi ni itanyetwo kuringa mweri-ini ukite.
In Western Kenya, for example, since we are expecting that the performance will be good, we are advising that farmers can take advantage and maximize on agricultural production. But it's important to get in touch with the Minister of State Department of Agriculture to get advice on the kind of seeds to use and so on and so forth.
Akenya mwena wa Eldoret munini wa murugamiri wa ruhonge rwa riera guku bururi-ini Samuel Maligi ni ahete arimi mwihoko na kumoria mahariririe migunda yao.
What we are advising is that you should take advantage of the good rains and maximize on agricultural production.
Ihinda-ini riu Akenya ni moretio kuhanda irio iria cietiragia riua inene niguo kuhurana na ng'aragu mahinda kwa mahinda.
Dengu ni chakula ambacho kinaweza kupandwa kwa urahisi na ikamea kwa urahisi na ikaweza pia kuchukua joto la jua na likaweza kumudu. Mieri iri mihituku thirikari ni yarugamirie wendia wa mutu wa raithi na uria niguo wari mwihoko wa Kenya aria mathiite na mbere gukaya kurumirira ngarama ya iguru ya muturire. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Gathogo.